Behind me right now is the Samsung 146-inch micro LED television. It's been getting a lot of buzz here at the show at CES. But right now, I think we need to talk about micro LED versus OLED. I think that naturally people are going to want to compare the two. I'm not so sure that the manufacturers making those respective technologies want to do that, but I'm going to do it anyway. So let's talk about the difference between micro LED versus OLED. Now, before we talk about the differences between those two, we have to talk about the conventional LED television. Right now, the LED television that you may have in your home has LED backlights behind an LCD panel. That means there are a row of lights behind LCD shutters that open and close, and the light shines through those to help create a picture. What's behind me right now, micro LED, is completely different. These are small individual panels of tiny, tiny micro LEDs, as the name suggests. They emit their own light. They emit their own red, green, and blue colors. Samsung actually has a little display here under a microscope showing what that looks like. It's a little stack of red, green, and blue pixels. Now, when you do that, you can achieve true black levels. You can get some amazing contrast because micro LEDs are naturally brighter than the organic version OLED. There's also no problem with the off-angle viewing that has been associated with a conventional LED TV, and in general, it's just a really solid technology. OLED, on the other hand, is an organic compound, and as such, it is prone to decay over time. And in fact, there have been some studies that show that there is a burn-in effect that can happen with extreme viewing situations. So while OLED is not a perfect technology, it has been lauded as one of the best-looking televisions that you can buy. I think Samsung's trying to hit back with micro LED. Now, is what's behind me actually able to take on OLED as it's being shown? No, there are definitely some drawbacks to what I'm seeing here. You can see the individual tiles in dark scenes. There's also a funny looking sort of surface to the television, but this is not a finalized product. This is a prototype. This is Samsung saying, look, we can make this thing and it can look really good, and we can scale it up or down however we like. So what we need to think about is this is Samsung looking into the future saying, look, there is an alternative to OLED that can look just as good, that can have those deep blacks, that excellent off-angle viewing, that deep, rich color, and doesn't rely on something like OLED. So that's the basic breakdown. Micro LED isn't here. It's not going to be in your home. Probably not this year, probably not next year, but in years to come, this could be a serious combatant to OLED. That's my comparison of micro LED versus OLED. For more information, be sure to check out the article below, and of course, always come to digitaltrends.com for all your TV information needs.